There are a lot of reasons why boards warp. Recently we made a video about the most common form of wood movement, cupping. You should check it out. I'll put a link to it in the notes below this video. But a board can also bow along its length or twist. This is especially common in construction lumber, which isn't fully dry, but it can occur in any board. So wouldn't it be great if there was a way to predict these problems before you buy it? If you can see the end grain of the board, you can get a good idea about what it will do as it continues to dry. Again, that other video explains what end grain will tell you about cupping, but the grain can also tell you a bit about how straight the board will remain. All you have to do is compare the grain on one end with the board with the pattern on the other end. Of course, it's hard to look at both ends at the same time, and the retailer won't like it if you cut one of the ends off so you can see them together. But you probably have a camera on your phone. So snap a photo of one end, then compare it to the other end. If the pattern is roughly the same, that means the rings of the tree are running pretty evenly through the board. If there's a dramatic difference in the patterns, that's an indication that the grain is twisting and turning inside, and the board's not going to stay straight for long. Now, there are other causes of warping, such as improper drying technique, that are much more difficult to detect in the store. But this simple trick will help you to avoid some of the worst boards on the rack, even if they look straight at the time. For more great tips, tricks, and tutorials designed to make you a better woodworker, check out Stumpy Nubs Woodworking Journal. You can read and subscribe for free at stumpynubs.com.